Hello friends, Maddie here, and today I am going to model low poly hand in Maya, low poly cartoon hand in Maya. So let's start. Hello friends, so this is very simple cartoon hand model in Maya. So I hope you guys like this video. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button because in future I will upload more modeling videos like this and also some gameplay of some games which I have. So stay tuned to my channel and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.